Let's talk about something that most men quietly worry about, but rarely discuss: lasting longer in bed. If that's something you've struggled with, you're not alone. Every week in my clinic, I see men of all ages who feel anxious, frustrated, or even ashamed about finishing too quickly. And that pressure to perform often makes the problem worse. I'm Dr. Fiona Gray, urology and men's health expert, and I want to walk you through something that can completely change the way you experience sex, and it has nothing to do with pills, sprays, or numbing creams. The real key to lasting longer isn't about fighting your body, it's about understanding it. Most men are taught that sex is all about control, about holding back, about not letting go. But that tension, that urge to clench every muscle in your body, is actually what causes you to finish faster. So here's the big shift. If you want to last longer, you don't need to tighten up. You need to relax. When you're in the moment and you start to feel your arousal build, your body naturally tenses. Your breathing becomes shallow. Your muscles tighten. Your heart rate spikes. That tension sends a signal to your nervous system that says, "We're close, let's go." But if you can learn to stay calm as that energy builds, you take control back. You move from being reactive to being responsive. That's where your breathing comes in. Your breath is one of the most powerful tools you have to control arousal and timing. When most men approach orgasm, their breathing becomes short and fast, or they even hold their breath completely. Both of those things accelerate climax. But when you learn to slow and deepen your breathing, your body relaxes, your heart rate steadies, and you buy yourself more time, physically and mentally. Let me show you how to do it. First, practice this outside the bedroom so it becomes second nature. Sit comfortably, shoulders relaxed. Take a slow inhale through your nose, not your mouth, as if you're drawing air all the way down into your lower abdomen. Feel your stomach rise. Hold that breath gently for a few seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth with a soft sigh. You'll feel your whole body relax. That's what we want. Do that a few times a day, while sitting in traffic, while showering, or before bed. You're teaching your body how to shift from tension to calm. Now, when you're intimate, don't wait until you're on the edge to start breathing this way. Stay aware of how your arousal builds. When you feel things getting close, pause for a moment, breathe deeply, and let your body settle before continuing. This resets your arousal level so you can stay in that zone of pleasure without losing control. This isn't about being robotic or mechanical. It's about staying connected to your partner, staying present, and actually feeling more. When your body is calm, your sensitivity doesn't vanish. It deepens. You'll be able to last longer, but also enjoy the experience more fully. Because here's what I tell my patients. Lasting longer isn't just a physical skill. It's an emotional and neurological one. When you learn how to regulate your nervous system through breath, awareness, and relaxation, your body starts to trust you again. The anxiety fades, the pressure lifts. You stop worrying about how long you'll last, and you start focusing on connection, rhythm, and mutual pleasure. And that's when sex becomes something you look forward to again, not something you feel you need to manage or fix. So start small. Practice the breathing daily. Notice your body. When you feel tension, pause and release it. You'll be amazed at how much control you gain when you stop trying to control everything. And before we wrap up, a quick note. If you want to naturally support erections, testosterone, and prostate health, I've listed 4 powerful supplements I personally recommend for my patients in the pinned comment below. They're completely natural and work beautifully alongside what we've talked about today, supporting circulation, hormonal balance, and long-term performance. I'm Dr. Fiona Gray, and remember, mastering your sexual energy isn't about trying harder. It's about breathing deeper, relaxing more, and allowing your body to work the way it was designed to. Take care of yourself, stay consistent, and your confidence will follow.